Okay, so you're supposed to try these. It asks you to solve the triangles. So let's first decide if this is ambiguous. So the side across from the angle, is it smaller than the other given side? Yes. So this is ambiguous. We're either going to have 0, 1, or 2 triangles. Let's take a look at what would happen. I'm starting with the angle that I'm given. It's 22 degrees. The side across would be 16.8. And then let's keep this the same way we were doing them the other day. We'll go like so. So our first step will be sine of A over A is sine of B over B. So sine of 22 over 16.8 equals sine of B over 22.42. Okay, and if you solve this, you get angle B is 30 degrees. This tells me that there are 2 triangles. So we'll go ABC, ABC, triangle 1, triangle 2. Now, what have we known? Angle A is 22 degrees. It's given to you, so it's the same for both. Side A is 16.8. It's given to you, so it's the same for both. B is 22.42. That's given to you, so it's the same for both. And we just found angle B is 30 degrees. All right. That means this one is 150 degrees. Okay, now I'm not usually going to ask you to draw it, but here's 150. Okay, because this is 30, so this would be 30. All right, you now have 2 separate triangles. Let's figure out triangle 2 in green, and we'll do triangle 1 in red. So first of all, triangle 1 will have this angle would be 180, take away 30, take away 22, this is 128. Okay, and then I can find side C. So I'm using this ratio because it's the one that we were given. We know both those values. Okay, so C over sine of 128 equals 16.8 over sine of 22. Again, if we cross multiply and solve, we're going to get a side that is 35, oops, not 35 degrees, 35.3. So we'll put that here, 35.3. Now let's do the second triangle. So to get the angle, you're going to go 180, take away 22, take away 150, which gives you 8 degrees. And then figuring out side C, we're going to get C over sine of 8 and 16.8 over sine of 22. So let's see what we get. Sine 8 times 16.8 equals, and this time we get a much smaller side, 6.2. Okay, so hopefully that question made sense. For sure it'll be one of those on the test. Now let's decide this one. Is this an ambiguous case? Well, is this side opposite the angle, smaller than the other side. Yes, it is. So this is ambiguous. Okay, so again, this one should look... Oh, we got a problem. I forgot to mention something to you. This angle is greater than 90 degrees. You can't have an ambiguous case when it's greater than 90 degrees. Okay. So we're going to say since the angle is greater than 90. Now I'm going to show you why that has to happen. Okay. If it's going to be bigger than 90, I already have to open it up like this. Okay, and by the way, you should kind of be able to figure out if this side is only 3 long, but this is 24 long, there's no way this is going to reach. Okay, let's try it. If we were to take sine A over A and go sine B over B, let's see what happens. Sine 96 over 3 is sine B over 24. Okay, let's see if we can figure out, first of all, sine B, that would be that's going to give us 7.956 something something, and so it's going to say error because you can't do that. So we'll say no triangle. Okay. And then if we look at this one, this is bigger than B, so again, not ambiguous. So here you would just have to find the one triangle. So if you were solving, you would have A, B, C, and there would just be one triangle, no second triangle. Okay, so I can give you some homework now. Page 468. Let's do number 1A, and page 478. You can do 3, 4, 6, 9 to 11, and I think I've posted a couple of worksheets if you need more practice. Okay, so that's the end of sine law and ambiguous case. One more lesson.